Mia, tomorrow in class, we must talk about yesterday. I'm nervous the teacher will ask me.
Don't worry, Leo. You have me. We can practice together now.
Really? That would help a lot. I don't want to stand there with no words.
Of course. Talking about yesterday is simple if you know the past tense. Past tense is very important. It's the key to telling a story.
So, if I use the wrong tense, people will laugh?
Maybe, but only a little. If you say, I eat breakfast yesterday, it sounds strange. You must say, I ate breakfast yesterday.
Ah, I see. Past tense makes the story clear.
Exactly. It's a basic skill in English. Without it, you cannot describe your day.
Okay, Mia, let's practice both our yesterdays together.
Leo, let's start simple. Past tense for am and are is was and were. For example, today I am in my room. Yesterday I was in my room.
Okay, today you are my teacher. Yesterday, you were my teacher too.
Good. Another one. Today they are in class. Yesterday they were in class.
So, am becomes was, are becomes were. Simple enough.
Leo, now let's look at regular verbs. They are easy in the past. You just add ed. For example, today I play soccer. Yesterday I played soccer.
Got it. Play for played.
Another one. Today I walk to school. Yesterday I walked to school.
Walk for walked. Easy.
One more. Today I cook dinner. Yesterday I cooked dinner.
Cook for cooked. So just add ed.
Leo. Some verbs are special. They don't take ed. They change completely. For example, today I go to school. Yesterday I went to school.
Go, went. Okay?
Another one. Today I eat pizza. Yesterday I ate pizza.
Eat, ate. I like that one.
And one more. Today I see my friend. Yesterday I saw my friend.
See, saw. This one feels different.
Yes, these are irregular verbs. They don't follow one rule, so you must remember them. Leo, let's start our practice. We will talk about yesterday morning. Yesterday morning, I went to Leo's dorm.
Yesterday morning, Mia went to my dorm.
I knocked on the door.
I heard Mia knock on the door.
I called Leo's name.
I heard Mia call my name.
Finally, I woke Leo up.
Mia woke me up, and I got out of bed.
Good. Now, Leo, tell me the verbs from this scene.
We used went, knocked, heard, called, woke, got, went, heard, woke, and got are irregular verbs. The others are regular.
After that, I brought breakfast to Leo's dorm.
After that, Mia brought breakfast to my dorm.
I made sandwiches and put them on the table.
Mia made sandwiches and put them on the table.
I gave one sandwich to Leo.
Mia gave me one sandwich.
I also drank some juice.
Mia drank some juice, and I drank juice too.
Good, Leo. Now, what verbs did we use here?
We used brought, made, put, gave, drink. They are all irregular verbs.
After breakfast, we walked to the science center together.
Yes, I walked with Mia, and I felt excited. My steps were so fast. At the door, we bought our tickets.
Right. I bought my ticket too, and I almost lost it in my pocket. Inside the big hall, I saw the robots. They were huge.
I saw them too, and I thought they were amazing. I couldn't stop staring.
I asked a question to the guide about the machines.
I listened carefully, but I was too shy to ask.
I listened to the answers and tried to remember.
I listened to, and I learned something new about space.
In the end, I learned many new things.
In the end, I learned many things too, and I felt happy.
Good. Now, Leo, tell me the verbs from the scene.
We used walked, bought, saw, thought, took, asked, listened, learned, felt, smiled. The irregular ones are bought, saw, thought, took, felt.
In the evening, we took the bus back home.
Yes, we took the bus together, and the seats were almost full.
I got off first, near my street.
I saw Mia get off, and I waved to her.
Then the bus left, and I walked home.
I stayed longer on the bus and got off later, closer to my dorm.
At home, I felt tired but happy about the whole day.
I felt tired too, but I thought it was a really good day.
Good. Now, Leo, what verbs did we use here?
We used took, were, got, saw, waved, left, walked, stayed, felt, thought. The irregular ones are took, were, got, saw, left, felt, thought.
Leo, today we used so many verbs.
Yes, Mia. Some were easy and some were irregular.
The good news is the most common irregular verbs are already here in our practice.
Really? So I don't need a long list.
Exactly. Just keep talking about your day again and again.
And the verbs will stay in my head naturally.
That's right. Practice yesterday, today, and tomorrow. It all connects.
Okay, Mia. Next time the teacher asks me about yesterday, I'm ready.